we will remove this, then we will change the cover gasket. Okay, see there's a leak, small leak, and we'll change the cover gasket both sides. Then since we will remove the gasket, then we will clean the injector, all injectors. I have extra battery, so I can clean that. And this one, there's some little bit noise in the tensioner pulley, so we will remove that and we will put grease. And let's see. Bye bye.